Okay, welcome to my messy desk because I've just pushed all the mess at the back, and I'm unboxing my new Lenovo LeapPad. I better bloody pronounce the name LeapPad, isn't that a kid's thing? S330 Chromebook, which actually I thought that would come up. It doesn't. So the seal was already broke, and oh, that's simple enough. Right, old hodgepodge of a mess. Something like that. Yeah, and then so here he is, the Lenovo Chromebook I purchased. It cost me £220. I bought it from Argos, which, if in the UK you know what Argos is. If not, it's a shop that sells pretty much everything. And here he is. And I've kind of half gone blind with this as well, because I didn't look at him beforehand. I'd gone to another chain to have a look, and I was looking at other ones, and then I decided to go to this other chain, or to the Argos, and then that's when I found this one on their list of catalogue. I should really read the quick start guide. Chrome. So I'm guessing he was flat as a pancake. Here's the welcome. And all the terms. There we go. Read those, yeah? Checking for some updates. And this is where I've got to sign in. So let me just quickly sign in. Okay, I have just logged in my account details. I'd forgot my password as normal. And so I'm now signed in. Just getting all that set up because this has got the App Store on there. Oh, I can quickly take a quick tour. Let's take a quick tour. So welcome to the Chrome family. This is actually my second Chromebook that I had, although it was a few years ago. I had my last Chromebook and I thought I'd upgrade to a Windows laptop, or it was a cheapy 2-in-1. And then so I sold my Chromebook then, because at the time I thought, oh, that'd be interesting to get some extra money. It was just dead money otherwise, and the Windows laptop was a bag of shit. And there we go. So there's a load of stuff about making the most of my Chromebook. Hope the picture's not too bad from the screen itself. I may do a quick review at a later date. For now, let me introduce myself back to Chromebook.